Hello everybody, it's time for me to plan my little winter vacation. I've got two coming up, but the first one is a short trip to Iceland. Hence, I am wrapped up for the cold. You can see I've got this lovely Sabo hat with this little pom-pom. It's actually got, if I just take it off, I should have checked my hair first. If I just take it off, it's got this lovely kind of fleecy lining there. That makes it super, super warm and cozy to wear. And there's lots of different colours in these. I've just chosen this lovely lime one with the little faux fur pom-pom. But obviously travelling, I've got my little trusty companion with the Ellie Beaumont bag, which you've no doubt heard us talking about an awful lot, but great, really good size, enables me to get my passport, my purse, my phone, for hopefully, the Northern Lights that I will be seeing. So I am flying into Reykjavik. I've got 3 days in Iceland, and it's going to be cold. You know, it's Iceland. It is going to be cold, so I do need to wrap up warm. Let me pop the Ellie Beaumont bag down. So I've got this fabulous warm jacket, this coat. It's lovely, Mark Kane coat. It is a down, so it is that feather. Makes it super lightweight. It also makes it really cozy and warm. I'm going to show you, because the sleeves do come out, but I'll show you that for day 2. But travelling, you know, you want to be comfortable. I also need the layer, so I am going to wear the coat. It is soft enough, so it does scrunch down, but it is going to be give me that warmth when I arrive in Reykjavik. So I'm arriving, as I say, I want to be lovely and cosy and comfortable. So a little bit of layering going on. I've got this great little Brax sweatshirt. We've done these before. This is the Billy sweatshirt. It's actually quite lightweight, but really soft, very tactile here. And I have just layered it. These underpinnings are great. This one actually is just by Jerry Weber. We've got them with Repeat. We've got them with Mark Kane. This one's 59. Just giving me that extra layer and comfort. That's going to come in useful. My little these are velvet, but really soft velvet. These are the Baxter jeans in this lovely soft sage colorway. I'm hoping that's going to pick up on the camera. They are jeans, they're a mid-rise, so they're not super high-rise. They are a mid-rise on that, but really soft, very stretchy, so that's going to be great for traveling. And you'll notice my boots. How handy are these going to be when I arrive and for traveling around in Reykjavik? So these are the Emu boots. These are much more kind of walking boots, so really sturdy underfoot. They've got the sheepskin lining. I've not got socks on with these, so just has that lovely cozy warm toes. That's going to take me right through my 3-day trip. So quick price run, 37, bag 89, the coat, the Mark Kane coat at 599, my little Brax sweatshirt here at 109, the jeans 129, the boots are 169. I think I've covered it, and the underpinning, as I told you there, at 59. So day 1, traveling into Reykjavik. I'm hoping I might be able to sneak out at night as well, and again, fingers crossed for those Northern Lights.